DUI cases could be tossed out in Scottsdale. I'm Katie Rammel.
And I'm Steve Irvin. A judge ruled that an instrument used to test blood alcohol levels is faulty. Now, defense lawyers say it is possible hundreds of people were wrongly convicted. ABC 15's Katie Connor is live in Scottsdale. And Katie, when did this problem first start?
Well, the Scottsdale Crime Lab has been using this instrument since 2009, and defense attorneys told me today that hundreds, if not thousands of people could be affected by the legitimacy of the machine.
I'm very surprised just because they have such a high force in Scottsdale. How many people can go back and kind of retry their cases, or do they have any argument?
Sheena Murphy is talking about this report released this week. Judge Bernstein suppressed or essentially got rid of the evidence in 11 DUI cases. The reason, faulty equipment that misread the results from blood tests. Judge Bernstein also said that the technicians working inside the crime lab knew about the broken equipment, but never resolved the problem.
Ruling epitomizes what turned out to be a scathing indictment of the crime lab because there's been a cover-up of monumental proportion.
Craig Rosenstein has been a DUI defense attorney for 8 years. He says Bernstein's ruling brings up an even bigger problem. How many more cases could be affected?
We're talking about cases dating as far back as 2009. So the possibility exists that, and we don't really understand how the mechanisms are in place. We don't know how far back we're going to have to go.
And this fight is far from over. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office plans to appeal the judge's ruling. But if the Court of Appeals upholds the judge's ruling, Katie and Steve, then all of the DUI cases since 2009 could be in question.
Yeah, that could be quite a few. Thank you, Katie.